I'm Chad.
I'm Dad. No, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be Dad first.
Oh yeah, you're Dad.
I'm Dad.
I'm Chad. And this is our channel. I just thought it was going to fly. We lined up on that board. Where do you want to keep it? Right there? Yeah. What about when we're working on this?
Then you just roll it forward.
Pull it up. We're gonna have to get the horizontal done and elevator done. Yeah. And we pull it up. Looking at all of our tools,
Yes.
checking out our tools.
Checking out your tools. Actually, checking out your parts.
Checking out our tools and our parts.
So,
This is a ratchet wrench.
what
Made by
did you
Snap-on.
get accomplished today?
And it does this too. Got the front wheel put on it and got it on the ground, man. Can't you see it? Can't you see it on the ground? It's not on the table anymore.
It is on the ground, so how was putting the front wheel on?
How was putting the front wheel on?
Yep.
Pretty easy. Anything's easier than trying to line up 4 pieces of metal and get a rivet through it.
So that's the cakewalk stuff. But now I feel like I need bigger tires because now I feel like it's a low rider. Dylan, low rider, Dylan. I don't think he's ever seen Gone in 60 Seconds. Gone in 60 Seconds?
No.
When Nicolas Cage tells one of his guys, he's like, Donnie, low rider, Donnie. And he plays it. That's why I said Dylan, low rider. And he plays it.
I haven't seen that very many.
You haven't seen very many what?
Nicolas Cage.
Oh, I thought you said old movies.
No.
No, I was talking about Gone in 60 Seconds. It was.
Now your wheels are dirty. Your tires are dirty from its maiden walk outside.
Yeah. Can we put it on the dyno and see how much power it makes?
I don't know how you're gonna strap it down.
That's not the problem, strapping it down. The problem is getting the propeller to. You have to put a wheel on the propeller.
Yeah.
Hey, we got a golf cart to register one though. All right, put a motor on it. We're ready.
All right. So what are next steps?
Finish the horizontal stabilizer and build the elevator.
We can put that on there now.
Yep. That's why I want to get it off there.
All right, we've sort of got the rear skins, fuselage skins mocked up. We've actually got the horizontal stabilizer built. We're about to start working on the elevators for them. But that thing goes on the back here. So we're about to start working on building these elevators. Well, here it says all rivets must be installed securely through ribs and horn for safe operation. Didn't say that about the Or I'll say bud.
So that's gonna be more stable.
Hey guys, thanks for watching another episode of Dad and Chad.
If you like this video, share it with your friends and give us a thumbs up.
And never miss an episode of Dad and Chad by hitting that subscribe button.
Because we'll be back next Tuesday with another episode.
Thanks again for watching
Dad?
and Chad.